Are you also running ads to receive new leads for your business? Then this video is definitely for you. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step that how you can capture your leads and add it in your database to manage those leads details. So here I run a fashion store and I run Google Ads too for receiving new leads for that business. So now here my objective is whenever I receive a new lead, then instantly that data is captured and gets added inside my Google Sheets as a new row. So now in this tutorial, we are going to learn step by step that how you can build this simple automation by using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to access the Pabbly Connect, you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see two options. One is sign in and the other one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And here if you're a new user and you are planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then don't forget to use my special discount code that I've got just for you to get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. I've already automated my entire business, that too for lifetime, because currently Pabbly is offering the lifetime deal at a very cost-effective price. So go and get yours now. Alright, so now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on the Access Now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here to build a new connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, we're going to click on this create workflow button. Then you can see two options. One is create from scratch and the other one is create using AI. So we're going to select create from scratch. Then it is asking for the workflow builder. So you can see two options. One is new beta and the other one is classic. Beta version is modern, faster and more flexible, whereas classic one is stable and the familiar approach. So in this video, we are going to use this beta version by clicking on the select button, and then a create workflow dialog box appeared in front of us. So I'm going to give a name to my workflow that says fashion store lead management system, and for the folder we're going to click on this drop down menu and you can see the multiple folders that I have with different names. So in this case I am going to use my folder that I have with the name automations. You can create and select a task by your requirement. And now here to create a new workflow, we're going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with automation by simply setting up a trigger. So as you know that I'm receiving new leads through Google Ads. So I'm going to select my trigger as Google Ads and my app event as new lead form entry. Then we're going to click on this connect. Here you can see I've received a webhook URL. That means we're going to use this URL to connect our Google Ads with Pabbly Connect. So following the instructions given below, first I'm going to copy the URL, and here I've already logged inside my Google Ads account. So this is my Google Ads account, and here I've drafted a test campaign inside which I've created a test lead form. So we are going to set up the webhook inside this test lead form, but if you're running a live lead form as well, then you can set up the webhook inside that as well. Alright, so I've added my business name, then I've selected some required fields such as first name, last name, email and the phone number. So in the right side you can have a preview of the form that I've created. Then we're going to scroll it little down, and in the last you can see the option of lead delivery. So you need to select that, and it is asking for the webhook integration. So you can see it is asking us to add the URL and the key. So we're going to add the webhook URL over here, and for the key we are going to give the name as test. After adding the required details, we're going to click on this send test data so that we can receive some dummy response for all these fields that we have selected. We're going to click on the send test data, and it says test data sent. So let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow, and you can see instantly we have received a response where we have received a dummy phone number, dummy email address, last name value as last name and first name value as first name only. So with this we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received a new lead detail, then instantly I want to capture the details and add it in my database, that is Google Sheets, as a new row. So for that we're going to add action step over here, and here I'm going to select my action application as Google Sheets. Then for the app event we're going to select add a new row, and then we're going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection we're going to select add a new connection. If your account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new one we're going to click on the sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account, and then we're going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secure. secured with Pabbly. And you can see we're now successfully connected. So let's move forward. Here it is asking for the spreadsheet and the sheet. So here I've already shown you that I have my spreadsheet with the name leads, and this is my sheet name, that is sheet 1. So we're going to select the spreadsheet as leads and the sheet as sheet 1. Then here you can see it is asking for the first name, last name, email and the phone number. So basically these are the fields that I've added over here in my Google Sheets. So now here, instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that we're going to receive a new lead through our Google Ads, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So now here to map the data, we are going to enter a slash first, and then we're going to search for the first name. So this is the first name. Now we're going to search for the last name as well. Now we're going to map the email address. So this is the email address, and lastly we're going to map the phone number. After adding the required details, we're going to click on the save and send test request, and you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully added a new detail inside our Google Sheets. So let's go and check it, and you can see instantly a new data has been added inside our Google Sheets. Alright, so with this we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here I've selected our trigger as Google Ads and action as Google Sheets, so that whenever a new lead is received, instantly that data is added inside our Google Sheets as a new row. Alright, so these were the very simple steps for fashion store lead management system. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then don't forget to use my special discount code that is available in the description box below. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit this URL. Now, if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.